In the last class, we learned the sixth identity and the seventh identity, and we apply sixth identity and seventh identity for expanding the polynomials. Here, the next type of question is an application of sixth and seventh identity for factorizing the polynomials. Okay. Then the first question is factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. Okay, so as usual, what we start, how do we start? We write the polynomial once again. What is that? 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. Okay, then how do we identify the identity? For factorization, we needed first to identify the identity. Okay, then how to? Here, the first term is a cube term, correct? The second term is also in the form of cube. We have the fourth term. The first term is in the form of cube. Second term is also in the form of cube. And the next two terms are the combination of squares. It's a square term, the square containing terms. Then there we need to apply sixth or seventh identity. Okay, how to? First two terms are how to? First two terms are cube terms. The next two terms are in the form of a square. Not a completely. The terms containing the square. The next two terms containing the squares. Then is very clear. Here we need to apply the sixth or seventh identity. Okay. Then how to identify is a sixth or seventh? For that we check the sign of all the terms. The sign of all the terms are plus. Then we need to apply their sixth identity. The sign of the terms are the combination of plus and minus. It's a combination of plus and minus. Then there we apply seventh identity. Okay. So here we check it. The first two terms are in the form of cube and the next two terms are containing square terms. So we need to apply the sixth or seventh identity. Then all terms are symbol is plus, correct? The terms containing the separating symbol is plus. So we very clear we need to apply their sixth identity. That means a plus b whole cube. For that we need to convert the first two terms completely in the form of cube. Then how to write? Is equal to 8 is the cube of which number we multiply thrice we get 8. It's very clear that one is 2. So we write 2 cube x cube plus 27. How to write? Is 3 cube. 3 cube y cube. Just to write the 36 as a product of 3. How to write? 3 into 12x square y. Correct? 12x square y. Then 54. That is 3 into 18x y square. 18x y square. Okay? That is not necessary to write, to convert the first two terms. That is an important. Okay? Then is equal to, how to write? 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube plus 3 into 12x square y plus 3 into 18x y square. What is next? This is an expanded form of a plus b whole cube. That means a cube plus b cube, then 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, this one is the expanded form of a cube plus x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So how do we write this one? This one is the expanded form of a plus x plus y whole cube. What is x here? X is 2x. Then 2x plus what is y? 3y. 3y whole cube is equal to, is a factorization. So we need to split like this. 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y is a cube. So 3 factors. 3x plus 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y 3 times. Okay. So is a idea to factorize by the sixth identity. The same idea, but only the difference we converting in the form of x plus y whole cube. Okay. The second question is factorize 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay. Then to factorize this polynomial, what is first? We are writing the same once again. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay. Then here the first two terms are not given directly in the form of cube, correct? But the second term is given in the form of cube, correct? The second term is given in the form of cube, and the next two term completely not containing the square, the last term containing the square. Okay. So it's very clear in this polynomial we have the cube term and square term. Okay. Then the second term is a cube form. Then we just check the first term is possible to convert in the form of cube. 27 is a cube of any number? Yes, it's very clear. 27 is a cube of 3. Okay. Then first term and the second term is possible to convert in the form of cube, correct? The 125 also is possible to convert in the form of cube, whose cube is 125? 5 cube, correct? 5 cube. So the first two term is possible to convert completely in the form of cube. So here we need to apply the sixth and or seventh identity. Then we check the sign of the terms. Then what are the signs? Here the first and last one are plus, the middle terms are minus. It's a combination of plus and minus, correct? So it's a combination of plus and minus means here we need to convert in the form of, seventh identity. That is, what is seventh identity? That is a minus b x minus y whole cube. What is seventh identity? X minus y whole cube. Okay. So how to write? Is equal to, we converting the first term completely in the form of cubes. 27 is the cube of 3. 3 cube minus, how to write 125? 125 is 5 cube. A cube minus, it's not necessary to write as the product of 3. Okay, if you write, that is better than 3 into 135. 135, how do we write the product of 3? That one is 45a plus 3 into 225. How do we convert in the form of product of 3? Then 75a square is equal to 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into 45a plus 3 into 75a square. Okay. Then what is this form? This form is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. Then what is this? This is an expanded form of a minus b whole cube. So what is a here? A is 3. What is b here? 5. Then how do we write? Is equal to 3 minus 5a whole cube is equal to 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Okay. 3 minus 5a whole cube is equal to 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. You got it, how to identify the identity. The first term and the second term is possible to convert completely in the form of cube, and these are the combination of the terms separating by the symbol plus and minus. So it's very clear there we need to apply the seventh identity x minus y whole cube. Okay, so here we got it, the expanded form of seventh identity. Then we write in the form of x minus y whole cube. Okay. Next we doing one more question. The question is like this: factorize 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Here the next last two term we have some difficulty. If we feel sometimes have a difficulty to convert as a product of 3, correct? So here we not touching the last two term, we converting only for the first two. Why? Because that one is enough to write the x value and y value. Okay, so how do we start? We started like this. First we write the polynomial once again, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. So here is very clear, the first term is in the form of cube, the second term is not given directly in the form of cube, so we checking is possible to convert in the form of cube. Yes, 1 is the cube of any number. Yes, 1 is the cube of 1. 216, which number we multiply thrice we get 216. It's very clear, that one is 6. I think you know how to write that one, am I right? That one is 216. We factorize 2 1 times 0 or 1 is not possible to divide, then 0 16 8 times, again 2 10 5 times 8 4, then 2 5 2 times 2 into 2 4, 1 is balance 14 7, again 3 9 3 3 3 1. Then it's a cube, not a square, correct? So we group the number with 3 numbers. We group the 3 numbers. As like the square, for finding the square, we group 2 numbers, correct? Same 2 numbers. Here we are grouping 3 numbers. Now that's only the difference. Then each group we take 1 and out. 2, 3. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, then whose cube is 216? 6 cube is 216. Clear? Then how to write? Is equal to 27 is very clear, 3 cube p cube minus 1 cube. Okay, 1 cube by the cube of 6 cube minus, we are not touching the last two because it's some difficulty, you feel some difficulty to convert as a product of 3. So we keep it like this, 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Okay, then is equal to, how to write? 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Then here the term separating by the symbol plus and minus is a combination of plus and minus, correct? Plus middle terms are minus. So here we need to convert in the form of seventh identity, that means x minus y whole cube. What is x here? X is 3p. What is y? 1 by 6. Then how to write? Is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Okay, is an idea to apply the 6th and 7th identity to factorizing the polynomial. The next, we already learned the 7th identity. This year we not have the 8th identity and their application. So the next we studying the 9th and 10th identity. The identity is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, these two are very important result. Don't forget this. What is that? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And 10th identity, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, this is very important. Okay, the next year also we have the application of these identities. The first one, what is that? 9th identity. Okay, what is that? X cube plus y cube. What is x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square. The next sign is an important, minus xy plus y square. Okay, Then 10th identity, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square sine plus x y plus y square. Okay, this is very important. The next we doing the application of these two identities. The next question based on the 9th and 10th. Then factorize 27y cube. Question is factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. Okay, then how do we start? We start in same 27y cube plus 125z cube. So here how many terms we have? We have only two terms, correct? That two terms completely in the form of cube, or is possible to convert in the form of cube. This just how many terms we have here? We have only two terms, and the two terms containing the cube form, correct, is containing cube. So we check the coefficient is also possible to convert in the form of cube. The both terms, the coefficient is also possible to convert in the form of cube. Then there is possible only apply 9th or 10th identities. The separating symbol is plus, then is 9th, is minus, then is 10th. How to identify? Only two terms, the first term and the second term in the form of cube, or they are is possible to convert in the form of cube. Then there possible to apply only two identities, 9th or 10th. This 9th identity separating symbol is plus, is 10th identity the separating symbol is minus. Here is separating by plus, so we need to convert in the form of 9th identity. What is this form? So we convert this one first completely in the form of cube. Then how to write? Is equal to 27 is 3 cube, 3 cube y cube plus 125 is 5 cube z cube. Then is equal to 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Now this one is the form of x cube plus y cube. What is x cube plus y cube? That one is x plus y, correct? X plus y. What is x plus y? 3y plus 5z into x plus y into x square. X square means 3y square. Then symbol minus xy. Xy means 3y into 5z plus y square. What is y? 5z whole square is equal to 3y plus 5z into, what is the square of 3y? That one is 9y square. 9y square minus, multiply what you get, 15yz plus 25z square. Okay, this one is the form of a product, correct? 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. So we stop here. We factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. What are the factors? 3y plus 5z and 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. We convert in the form of product of factors. Okay. The next question is like this. Factorize 64m cube minus 343m cube. Here also is very clear. We have only two terms. The first term in the form of cube and second term is also containing cube. Correct? So here also we need to apply 9th or 10th identity. The separating symbol is minus. Then it's very clear we decide is possible to apply only 10th identity x minus y, x cube minus y cube. Okay. So how do we start? We started like this. 64 m cube minus 343 m cube is equal to convert 64, the first term completely in the form of cube. 64 is the cube of 4. 4 cube m cube minus 343 is the cube of 7. You know how to find the cube, am I right? 7 cube my n cube is equal to 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube is equal to, how to write? This is a cube minus x cube minus y cube. What is x cube minus y cube? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y. What is x? 4m minus y. What is y? 7n into x square. X square means 4m whole square plus xy. Xy means 4m into 7n plus y square 7n whole square, then is equal to 4m minus 7n. How to write? 4 square is 16m square plus 4m into 7n 28m plus 49n square. Okay, then we factorize the given polynomial as a product of 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. I think this is very easy to apply the 9th and 10th identity, correct? In the case of factorization as comparing other. Okay, I think you got it, all the ideas. What are we discussing the chapters? Because how to be factorized by using the identities.